Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive straight into how to use Airtable for tracking your product development. The first step is setting up your Airtable workspace. This is your project's home base and where you'll track all development stages. To do this, sign in, click on the plus icon, and select Create a Workspace. Now name this workspace something relevant to your product. The reason we do this is to provide a central location for all your project data, making it easier to manage. Next up, let's create a base within your workspace. Click on the New Base button and select Start from Scratch. This helps us because a base is like a separate project within your workspace, allowing you to track different aspects of your product development. Now that we've done that, it's time to create tables within your base. Think of these tables as categories. For example, you could have tables for design, development, testing, and so on. To create a table, click the plus button next to the Tables section. Why is this step important? These tables will help you segment your product development process, ensuring each stage is clearly defined and trackable. The fourth step involves adding records and fields to your tables. Records are individual tasks or items, and fields represent various aspects of these tasks. For example, in your design table, a record could be Create Prototype, and a field could be Due Date. Just click on an empty cell in any table and start typing to add records and fields. This is crucial because it allows you to track each specific task's progress and details. Finally, you should use Airtable's Views feature to visualize your data. You can create different views such as a calendar view or a Kanban view. Just click on the Grid View button and choose your preferred view. This helps you see your product development progress at a glance, which can be really useful for planning and decision-making. And that's how you use Airtable for tracking product development. Remember that the key to effective tracking is regular updating and reviewing of your data. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.